Now we know that core network has two parts. First one is called circuit switch domain and second one is called packet switch domain. Let's talk them one by one. Let's first talk about circuit switch domain, which is responsible for handling voice calls. In CS domain, two critical components work together. These two critical components are media gateways and other one is mobile switching center servers. Media gateways are responsible for routing voice calls between different parts of the network. Mobile switching center servers is responsible for handling call setup, management, and termination via signaling messages. These both replace older systems like the mobile switching centers and visitor location register, making networks more efficient. Now let's talk about packet switched. Packet switch domain is responsible for handling mobile data. The packet switch domain is responsible for mobile data traffic. It consists of following two components. Gateway GPRS support node, which is responsible to act as gateways between mobile networks and external data servers or the internet. Second component is called serving GPRS support nodes, which is responsible to handle data routing between base stations and the gateway GPRS port nodes, while also managing user authentication and session control. These components work together to deliver seamless mobile internet access.